Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we will learn how to actually connect to a Neo4j database. So first, what we'll need to do is start up your Visual Studio Code text editor. Then we'll go to the left-hand panel here, and there's this last icon here. If we hover over it, it will say Neo4j. Click on this, and then this will let you add a database connection where you will be able to run Cypher queries directly through VS Code, right? Or you can add a Neo4j or a database. So there you have it. This is how you can add a Neo4j database to your Visual Studio Code text editor.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.